Here's a 2013 Nissan Maxima. Always be ahead of the curve in the sporty Maxima. It's where practical never loses its enthusiasm for driving. It's well equipped with the features you need: auxiliary audio input, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, multifunction steering wheel, leather bucket seats, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intelligent key. Motor Trend remarks Nissan has done an excellent job on the styling. It's so much better looking than the car it replaces. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.